Oh, hello. I'm CEO of a large oil company and also the inventor of clear cutting. I'm here in light of recent chaotic, catastrophic events pertaining to the environment to talk to you about how my company is following a sound policy when it comes to organic, environmental, and natural things. Hullabaloo. Yes, sir. To that end, I'm going to show you stock footage of me enjoying nature and also an employee of mine using an environmentally sound notebook. My goal is to be perceived as someone who cares deeply about the environment, although I do light my cigars with the fingers of endangered panda bears, which are quite flammable. Nature, trees, oil. God bless America.
Even if you're not a phony douchebag CEO and actually care about the environment, this notebook is pretty cool looking while also being ecologically sound. It has a unique pivoting mechanism and a removable metal screw to allow for paper refills so you don't end up throwing yet another used notebook away. Deboss your logo on it and associate your brand with nature too. Loot.com. Bi-weekly, promote and grow your business.
Nature. Best friend to you and me. You know what? I think I'm gonna go hug this tree right here. A bug touched me, Jesus. Henry, a bug touched me!